To redeem a Lyft gift card, start by opening the Lyft app on your mobile device and tapping on your profile picture in the top left corner. This will take you to the menu where you can access various options, including the ability to add a gift card. From the menu, select the payment option, which will take you to the payment methods screen. On this screen, you will see a list of your current payment methods, as well as an option to add a new payment method. To add a gift card, tap on the Add Payment Method option and select Gift Card. You will then be prompted to enter the gift card code, which can be found on the back of the physical gift card or in the email if you received a digital gift card. Enter the code carefully and make sure to include any dashes or other characters. Once you have entered the gift card code, tap on the Apply button to add the gift card to your Lyft account. The gift card balance will be added to your Lyft account and can be used to pay for future rides. It is essential to note that Lyft gift cards can only be used for rides and cannot be used to purchase other services or products. Additionally, gift cards are non-refundable and cannot be transferred to another account. To check your gift card balance, go back to the payment option in the menu and select the gift card you just added. The balance will be displayed, and you can use this information to plan your rides accordingly. By following these steps, you can easily redeem a Lyft gift card and start using it to pay for your rides. Remember to always check your balance before requesting a ride to ensure you have sufficient funds.